So if you own a Roku device, you are going to start seeing more ads, and it's going to start happening really soon. So what I want to do in this video is not only tell you more of what is going to happen in the near future, but also show you how to disable ads via secret menu on your Roku device. So we're going to jump right into it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. So real quick, Roku has had ads in the past on your home screen, but in a recent interview at CES, Roku CEO announced that more ads will be coming to the Roku device. So the official statement says Roku has announced that more ads will be coming to home screen of its devices and TVs in the near future. So according to the statement made to the publication Ad Exchanger, as reported at CES. So in the statement to Ad Exchanger, Roku's VP of Global Sales and Partnership, Christian Shepherd, said that it will immerse advertisers in more parts of the screens and home via interactive and shoppable ad forums. So just to sum that up, ads are going to be coming to Roku. More ads are going to be coming, so brace yourself. But luckily, there's some secret menus within Roku that allows you to play with these ads, turn them off, and give you more options that very few people know about. So let's jump into how to get around these ads that are coming to your Roku device. So the first one we're going to get into is the Roku Images and Ads secret menu. So this is going to allow you to customize your Roku interfaces, including setting your default screenshot format, whether scrollable ads are enabled. Also, you can change your gaming remote options as far as your parent on boot. So let's go ahead and jump into that. So to get into this setting, what you're going to need to do is tap the home button on your remote 5 times, then press up, right, down, left, up. So let's go ahead and give that a shot. So we're going to tap home button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, right, down, left, up. All right, so here we are, and it's even labeled secret screen too. So you can see to the left is going to have those options that pair with the menu on the right. So you can see a cycle image service. If you click on that, you can scroll through different websites. So you can see we can change where those images are coming from. Looks like we have at least 2 options to go through. Further down, you have your scrollable ads. So this gives you an option to always enable. You can always disable it. You can set it to default. Those are the 3 options. So if you're someone who doesn't mind, you can always enable or set it to default for that matter. But if you really don't want it, you can always go ahead and turn it off. So next is going to be our cycle screenshot format, and this is essentially going to give you, and this is basically going to give you your image format. So you have PNG and you have JPEG. Those are the 2 options. Further down, you have your add banner channel. So if you click on that, you can see it has different staging areas. They have demos. It's up to you. You can play with whichever one you want. Further down, you have a cycle ad channel. You have your gaming remote auto pairs. So that option can be on and off. So basically, your gaming remote will auto pair when your device boots up. You have your gaming remote auto update. So that's another option you can turn on and off. Again, a lot of cool information. Below that, you can go to your logs, and you have a lot of logs there. You have your log theme info, your log file system, a lot of different logs that you can check if you're potentially having issues or you just want to see what's happening in the background. You have the option to refresh/reset, and you can cancel to get out of it. So again, that's going to control somewhat what your device looks like, also what ads are being rolled, and just give you a little control in my opinion.